Now today let's start with chapter number 6, computer etiquettes. So in this chapter I will tell you about how to turn on the computer, turn off the computer. So what they are saying, children, dear children, you are now familiar with different parts of computer and now you can start working, but before start working you should know to turn on and off. कैसे हम उसको on करेंगे, कैसे हम उसको off करेंगे, वो भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. So first is turning on the computer. Before you use the computer, it should be started first. To start the computer, you have to follow the given steps. First is switch on the power switch. आप सबसे पहले जाएंगे power switch को on करेंगे, right? And then you will switch on UPS. What is UPS? It is uninterrupted power supply. Means with the electricity goes off, you can then also what you can do, you can continuously work on the computer. Now then you will switch on your CPU. After that finally switch on the button of the monitor and then wait for the appearance on the computer screen. This screen is called desktop. ये screen जो होती है, जो appear होती है, इसे हम क्या कहते हैं, desktop. Right? This is a desktop. You can see over here. Now when the computer gets started, first screen appears, जिसे हम desktop कहते हैं. You will see start button. यहाँ पे आपका start button है. With that you can open different programs and you will see the different icons also. Here, what we call them icons. Now turning on the computer. Now after finishing the work, whenever you have done your work, आपने अपना काम complete कर लिया, you have to shut down the computer properly. Then you have to follow the steps to turn off. First is click on the start button and select the power option. आप start button पे click करोगे और आप power option पे जाओगे, right? And then this is the power option. Now click the power option and select shutdown. यहाँ पे option आएंगे different. You have to shut down, restart. So you have to use the shutdown option and your computer will be shut, right? Then switch off the monitor, switch off the UPS button and switch off the power supply. जो आपके इलेक्ट्रिक बोर्ड है ना, उसके जो मेन पावर सप्लाई है, आप उसको क्या करेंगे, ऑफ करेंगे and your computer will be off. Don't switch off the computer from electric board with wet hands because you may get shocks. Right? This is all about how to turn on and turn off the computer. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we have completed this chapter. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.